Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SawaiReads. I'm Sawai, and today we're diving into Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. Atomic Habits aims to teach us how small, incremental changes in our habits can lead to significant improvements in our lives. The core idea is that by focusing on tiny habits, we can make remarkable transformations over time. The book provides a comprehensive guide on how to build good habits, break bad ones, and master the tiny behaviors that lead to big results. Now let's talk about the author. James Clear is a renowned expert in habits, decision-making, and continuous improvement. His work has appeared in the New York Times, Entrepreneur, Time, and on CBS This Morning. He's also a sought-after speaker at Fortune 500 companies, and his blog receives millions of visitors each month. His credibility and expertise make Atomic Habits a must-read for anyone looking to improve their daily routines. So let's get into the 5 key ideas from this book. 1. The power of Atomic Habits. James Clear starts by explaining that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Just like money multiplies through compound interest, the effects of your habits multiply as you repeat them. Clear uses the example of the British cycling team, who achieved extraordinary success by improving every aspect of their performance by just 1%. Over time, these tiny gains added up to significant improvement, leading them to dominate in the Olympics and the Tour de France. This example illustrates how minor adjustments can lead to substantial changes over time. 2. The 4 laws of behavior change. Clear introduces a simple framework for building good habits and breaking bad ones, which he calls the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Design your environment to make the cues for your good habits obvious and visible. For example, if you want to practice guitar more often, keep your guitar in the middle of your living room rather than tucked away. Make it attractive. Use temptation bundling and reinforcement to make your habits more appealing. Pair a habit you need to do with one you want to do. For instance, only allow yourself to watch your favorite show while exercising. Make it easy. Reduce friction and make it easy to perform your good habits. Simplify the steps needed to start a floss regularly. Keep floss picks in an easily accessible place. Make it satisfying. Immediately rewarding yourself after completing a habit helps to reinforce it. If you finish a task on your to-do list, give yourself a small treat. Identity-based habits. One of the most profound ideas in Atomic Habits is the concept of identity-based habits. Clear argues that the key to building lasting habits is to focus on who you wish to become rather than what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to run a marathon," say, "I am a runner." By adopting this identity, your habits naturally align with it. This shift in mindset encourages you to think long-term and align your actions with your desired identity, making the habits more sustainable. The 2-minute rule. To overcome procrastination and make habits stick, Clear suggests the 2-minute rule. This rule states that when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. This makes it easy to start and helps you build momentum. For example, if you want to read more, start by reading just 1 page each day. Once the habit is established, you can gradually increase the duration. The key is to make the habit so easy that you can't say no, ensuring consistency over time. 5. Habit stacking. Clear also introduces the concept of habit stacking, which involves pairing a new habit with an existing one. This creates a trigger action reward loop that makes it easier to form new habits. For instance, if you want to start meditating, you can stack it onto your morning coffee routine by meditating right after you have your coffee. By linking new habits to established routines, you create a reliable structure that reinforces your new behavior. Conclusion: the essence of Atomic Habits. The essence of Atomic Habits is that small changes can lead to big results if you stick with them over time. By focusing on tiny habits, designing your environment, and changing your identity, you can achieve remarkable transformations. These principles show that making sustainable changes doesn't require drastic actions, but consistent, small improvements. After reading this book, you'll gain a deep understanding of how habits work and how to design them to your advantage. You'll learn to think of habits as small, incremental steps towards achieving your goals, and becoming the person you want to be. The insights from this book are practical and easy to implement, making it a valuable guide for anyone looking to improve their life. If you enjoyed this summary, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome book insights. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest reads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next summary.